The Lama Automesh filter has been specially designed and manufactured for use in industry and agriculture. The filter consists of an unfiltered water inlet, an outlet for filtered water, and a flush outlet for the discharge of debris collected during filtration. The filtration tank interior is divided into 3 chambers: the pre-filtration chamber, the filtration chamber containing the screen filter cartridge as well as the debris suction mechanism, and a final chamber where debris is collected for discharge. The filtration process begins with the intake of unfiltered water. The water then passes through the pre-filtration cartridge with which coarse debris is removed. The pre-filtered water then proceeds to the filtration chamber, and as it passes from the interior to the exterior of the filtration cartridge, finer sediments are collected and trapped in the heat-welded screen. The filtration cycle concludes with the output of perfectly filtered water. The accumulation of sediments in the screen makes cleaning necessary, a process which is activated upon the detection of a pressure differential. This detection is triggered automatically by the program sensors. The programmer is in charge of this process. Following a signal from it, the flush valve is opened and the electric motor is simultaneously activated, initiating scanner rotation. At this moment, embedded debris is sucked out of the screen through the nozzles, directed to the debris collection chamber and then discharged through the flush valve. The self-cleaning and filtration processes are compatible and can be run simultaneously. The filter also lacks the axial transfer functions characteristic of other filtration systems. Lama Automesh, offering you the largest and most effective filtration surface on the market.